Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to draw signal expression based on the given signal. Okay, here we have signal expressions given, that's 2x of n, 1 over 3x of n, x of n minus 2, x of negative n minus 2, and also x of 2n plus 1. Now let's start with 2x of n. Okay, let's go ahead and draw the graph. So this is our x of n graph. So 2x of n mean we multiply the y components, like y points, by 2. So the graph is going to look like this. It's going to be the same thing, but instead of 1 2 we will have 2 and 4. Okay, so the graph is going to be same thing. So here we will have 2, actually, yeah, this is 2, this is 4, this is 2. So this is going to be the 2x of n. We just multiply the y values by 2. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Next one is 1 over 3x of n. It's the same thing. Here what we are going to have is, instead of this one, this is our x of n graph, so we have to divide y values by 3. So this is going to be what, 1 over 3, and this is going to be 2 over 3, and here we will have 1 over 3. Let's see what's going to happen for x of n minus 2. X of n minus 2 means this graph is shifted 2 units to the right. So it's going to start from 3. So we are going to have a graph that's going to look like this. So it will start from 3. Okay, this height is 1, 2, 1, and this is 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 2 units to the right. Now let's see what's x of negative n minus 2. Negative n mean there are 2 ways you can do this. First you can do the shift, and then you can do the reversal. First let's do that method. So first you can do the shift, that's n minus 2 mean 2 units to the right. So 2 units to the right, we already have that one right here. This is 2 units to the right, so it's going to start from 3. And if it's rotate, like negative mean it rotates. So if we are doing this one right now, so if it rotates, what's going to happen is, instead of this one we are going to have this one from negative side. So this is going to be at negative side. So we are going to have this one in the negative side. Negative 3, negative 4, and then negative 5. Okay, so this is going to be 1, this is 2, this is 1, and this is negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Now let's see, there's another method. This is one, you can do the shift first, then reverse, or you can do the reverse first and then you can shift. But if you do the reverse first, like when you do the reverse first, you have to remember, like first we do the x minus n. So if you do the x minus n for this one, that's what's going to be this one look like. We are going to have, so if you do the reversal of this one, we are going to have 1 right here, 2 right here, and 3 right here. Okay, but if you do the reverse first, what we have to do is we have to take this one common, like n plus n, we have to take the negative common. So if we take the negative common, what's going to happen, we are going to have plus 2 here, because we took the negative common. So negative, like if you multiply this one by negative, you will get this one back. So we had to put a plus. Plus means 2 units shifted to the left. So we will have, actually this one should be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Initially this one negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And if we shift 2 units to the left, we are going to have negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Okay. Now let's look at the last one. Okay, in the last one we have x 2n plus 1. Okay, 2n plus 1. So what's going to happen is everything is going to be half of the value. So here initially we had, so 1 unit to the left, so this one start from 0, and then okay, let's put 1 unit to the left first. So 1 unit to the left is going to look like this. So this is going to be what we are going to have. This is 0, 1, this is 2, but if it's 2n, then we have to divide everything by 2. So if you divide this one by 2, this is going to be 0, divide this one by 2, 0.5, divide this one by 2, that's going to be 1. But when we have 0.5, we have to eliminate that one. So this 1 will go away. So this is the only thing that's going to remain. So we are going to have just 0 and 1. 0 and 1. This height is going to be just 1. This is also 1. And that's how we draw the graph based on the, draw the signal based on the expression. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.